In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add source in NordVPN. We'll walk through how to link an external device in MeshNet so it can act as a reliable source for file sharing, traffic routing, local network access, and even remote access. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening NordVPN on your computer. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the app and find the MeshNet section. Open it, then choose Devices. This is where all your connected and available devices are organized, and it's the hub you'll use to add a new source. Next, select Link Devices. You'll see options for connecting within your own account or inviting something external. Choose Link External Device. This option is perfect when you're connecting a friend's laptop, a colleague's workstation, or a separate machine that isn't already tied to your account. You'll be prompted to type in an email. Enter the email address associated with the Nord account for the device you want to link. Make sure it's accurate because the invitation will be sent there, and the recipient will need to accept it to complete the connection. Before sending the invite, you can tailor permissions so the device behaves exactly the way you want. Receiving files lets you securely exchange files through MeshNet without other services. Traffic routing allows the external device to route your internet traffic, which is helpful if you want to appear online from its location. Local network access gives visibility to devices on each other's local networks, useful for printers or shared drives. Remote access enables you to reach the external device directly, ideal for management tasks. Only enable what you need. And remember, you can adjust these settings later for better security or performance. When your permissions look right, click Send Invitation. The recipient will get a notification in their NordVPN app or via email. Once they accept, the device will appear under MeshNet Devices on your side, with the permissions you chose already in place. From there, you can rename it, tweak permissions, or remove access at any time. If the device doesn't show up right away, give it a moment, ensure both devices are online with MeshNet enabled, and confirm the invite was accepted. Keeping the NordVPN app up to date on both ends also helps avoid connection hiccups. And that's all it takes to add a source in NordVPN using MeshNet. With the device linked and permissions set, you're ready to share files, route traffic, or access resources securely and on your terms.